Hello everyone, this is King Kong IoT. This video I will show you our new product. This is the COLB Mini version. We have designed this new product just like the logic controller, the function as COLB, but this is be smaller because it can save your space of your power distribution box. We have reduced 8 channel of the digital input and reduced the 8 channel of analog input. So we'll look at the details of this COLB Mini version. This is our COLB Mini version. You can see this is the box appearance, and you can see this interface, and this is RS485 interface, and this is the 5 temperature sensor. Use GS18B20 temperature sensor. You can connect with the 5, and this is RS232 connect with the relay board, and this is for switch terminal board for manual control. And this is the power 12 volt power supply. We have redesigned use this removable socket instead of older version. And this side of the box, you can see this is the analog input. Now is 8 channel analog input, and this is digital input for 8 channel. The COLB have 16 channel and the 16 channel analog and digital input. So we did reduce the 8 channel. And the Ethernet part. And also have many buttons, like these buttons, and for the Ethernet setting and the Wi-Fi work mode setting, and this is for Wi-Fi reset. So this is the box of COLB. We can see if we open the box like this is a PCB board. This is the PCB board of the COLB Mini version. So we can see this is 2 point. This is RS232. This one is this one, and this one is this one. So if you not need to use this DB9 cable, and you can connect with this socket, this pin directly for your other device by RS232 point. And also we have placed the 6 hole, just like this 6 hole. And this time, if you not need to use this box, this is metal box. If not work without the metal box, you can install your PCB board on your board or on your panel. You can use these green parts and just fixed by the screw like this. You will use these 2 green parts just like this, and then you can install on the DIN rail. So it will be let your PCB board install on the DIN rail easily. So this is the PCB board of the mini box inside. This is the interface of your COLB Mini version. The software, you just use the COLB logic controller PC software. It's use the same function, just we have used a different channel number because we need to save the space and make it more smaller. Okay, thanks for watching.